Hello to all my fellow day traders. Welcome to 13th May 2019's pre-open analysis. Today SGX Nifty is showing 26 points down move at the level of 11,257.5 level, and market has given up almost tremendous amount of highs which it has made in the previous days. So let's see what US markets have done on Friday. US markets have done okay for itself. 114 points up on Dow Jones, 6 points up on Nasdaq, and 10 points up on S&P. So seeing the cues from US markets and SGX Nifty, Indian market is again poised to open in red in today's pre-open and probably continue with the next level of downward movement in today's session. Let's see what Indian markets has to offer in supports and resistances. MACD is at 19, whereas exponential is at 46, which means that there is a huge downturn or negativity in the MACD, and there is a huge negativity in the momentum of the market. And slow stochastic and fast stochastic both show that we have crossed the oversold zone way long ago, and we are still going downwards. So that's because of the all-time high which market could not sustain, or it could not go upwards. Look at how many times the market has tapped this level: once, twice, thrice, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, 8 times it has tapped that particular resistance level. It could not go upwards, so the market has tumbled all the way down, where the level of 11,343 stopped. However, the more resistance, more support has to be tapped in order for the market to go upwards. That's what market is actually coming down to. So it sees that the 11,171 level is a huge support for the market. If that is probably held, then we will again look at the level of 11,800 levels. That's the level we have to watch out for. So what are the supports as of now we have to watch out for are the levels of 11,250 levels and 11,235 levels and 11,200 levels and 11,171 levels are the huge supports which the market has to look out for. If that is also barred, there are only few levels downwards before we actually tap the level of 11,100, which is the support. So before 11,100 there is a level of 11,121, which is a support for the market, which we can see. Else 11,100 will be tapped in the market in order to go upwards in the market. So what are the resistances we have to watch out for? The first resistance comes at 11,343, because that was a huge support for the market. Now that is broken, so it is a resistance, and above that there are multiple resistances as of now: 11,350, 11,396 levels, and 11,420 levels, and 11,458 levels, and the levels of 11,500 are the levels of resistances we have to watch out for in today's session. So that is the technical knowledge for today, guys. If you want all this technical knowledge for yourself, click on the first link in the description below. From next week onwards, I'll be doing 5 sessions from Monday to Friday, so from 7:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. or 2:30 to 4:30. That's the session which I'll be doing from next week onwards. If you want all this technical knowledge, click on the first link in the description below. You'll be taught 3 strategies which makes you money on a daily basis. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share the video for all the knowledge needies. This is Ashok Kumar signing off, people. Happy trading and happy money making.